my biggest problem with this top of this closet is that I'm too short. And so it's hard for me to keep it organized because it's hard for me to reach it. And I have a step ladder, but it's usually in there. And when I want to go grab something, I don't go in the kitchen to grab a step ladder. So I always come in here and I end up messing everything up. So I'm going to get this organized, and then I'm going to see if I can get just a small little step ladder that can fit in here. But we'll have to do that later on another shopping haul. So, but for right now, I'm just going to try to tackle the top of this closet and not hurt myself too bad. The struggle is real. So one of the first things I want to do is just take everything down from the top of the closet. I have some beautiful things that I've thrifted over the years. And so now I'm just going to take all of these things down. Oh, look at that hat. Oh, that's something my grandmother would definitely have loved in her heyday. So some of my purses are in bags, and then some of them aren't. And I've got one backpack that hubby gave me that I haven't gotten a chance to use yet. But anyway, we're going to talk about all of that later. I'm just getting all of this down, and so this is going to be fun. So basically, this is part 2, and what I've done is, honestly, the truth, I've gotten my hubby to come in and help me because y'all saw that mess. And so he organized the top of this closet with me, but they didn't want to be on camera. You understand. And so he lovingly, graciously agreed to organize this with me, for me. And so I just told him kind of where I wanted stuff to go. And so I've organized kind of my tallest thing, which he gave me that backpack. That was his backpack, but actually it was meant for our son, baby boy. But baby boy took my hubby's backpack, and that made me inherit the black one. I don't know if you can see it, but then more Wilson's leather. Both those are Wilson's leather. More Wilson's leather, just purses that I've either thrifted. I think the rest of these are thrifted. All of these purses are thrifted, except for they kind of stop going back that way, or purses that I have purchased or hubby's purchased for me. And then the rest of these are actually all thrifted. So I do thrift, or have thrifted a lot of purses. So this is what I'm doing for right now. The thing is just to get everything organized, and so it's easy when I go in here and I can easily grab what it is that I need. Excuse me. And I can slide it out, pull out what I need, and then it also looks pretty. It's colorful. I got the hat up here, so it's decorative, and I just feel good when I go in here. So the last thing I'm going to do on part 3, so come back and stay tuned, is to get the bottom, the very bottom of this closet, but that's not going to happen today. To clean out these tubs or organize all of this stuff that's down here in the bottom. And so we'll get back to that and do that on another video. So on part 2, what we've done is just to organize the top of this closet. And one thing that I'm doing is I'm creating another box or bag. So I'm going to put these all in this bag for now. And this I'm either going to donate or I'm going to resell some of these items. So if you see anything you like, definitely reach out to me. So I'm going to be putting it up on Poshmark or either on eBay. So if you see anything you like, let me know. I'm putting these in here. I love this at one time. Not to carry. I just thought it was a beautiful, it's I think it's LL Bean or Levain. But anyway, just beautiful to, very old style bag, but you know, the beading is just gorgeous. It's just beautiful, and I tend to love things like that. This bag has a small tear rip at the back, and so you know, I don't know, I'm gonna probably put it up, but it is vegan leather. It's not real leather, and it is Liz Claiborne, so that will go up. I used to love this bag. I used to love this bag. When we first moved back to Tennessee, it was one of the first bags that I got when we moved back from North Carolina. This bag was always difficult for me to find stuff. It's got some color transference on it, so I don't know if I'll put it up for resale, or if I'll try to get this off, or even if this will come off, or if I will just donate it. It's an Aldo bag, so it's also vegan leather. It's not real leather. So I'm getting rid of some more of my fashionable purses. So yeah, but it's so cute. I've had this for 2-3 years. I used to love that bag. This little bag I think I thrifted. It feels like leather, but I'm not really sure. And I was thinking about using this as a camera bag. That's why I originally bought it, but it's just not insulated. And I think it's cute as a crossbody, but it's not one of those purses that I really reach for. So, and I've had it for a while. It may be vegan leather. I'm not really sure. So I'm just going to let it go. So yeah, I am downsizing my purses. On another haul, which I'm going to go ahead and put these bags in here. This is part 2. I'm letting go of this one. I had already gone the other day and gone through this. This little clutch is too cute. It's just too cute. Valentine's Day is coming up. It's that kind of red. If you don't want to do red, it's a deep dark kind of red. It's got the beading, but a few of them are kind of loose, right? So it's not perfect, but it's definitely loved. This is an old fake, I don't know what this is. Wanted to be Gucci or wanted to be, I don't know, somebody. She got to go. Let's see, wallets. Getting rid of that. It's an old wallet. It's gotta go. And then this bag was a project bag. Sometimes I buy project bags, and so this is a project bag. And I was gonna do something with these rhinestones. I'm not. It's been here a year and I haven't done anything with it so far, so she has got to go. The only bag I'm really thinking about is this one. I'm thinking about keeping it because I do use this, and I think I might just keep it, but I use this when I go to meetings and I need just something that's small to put a laptop or something in, and I want something really, really small and compact. I usually take this bag, so I will be keeping this. But yes, my one bag, I've decluttered the top of the closet, and so I'm very happy and very proud of myself for having worked on the closet, and I'm grateful to Hubby for having helped me. And I think from where it came from, I'll show you some pictures, well, video clips of where it came from and how it looked. You probably remember this from part one. If I haven't already, I'll show you some clips of what that looks like, because wow, it definitely is transformed. So thank you guys for joining me. This is more Marie Kondo. This method of what I'm really using from her method is to really go through everything I have, at least touch every single thing, and then if it doesn't bring me joy, if it doesn't bring me love, if it doesn't spark joy when I touch it, when I look at it, then it just can't stay in my space anymore, because I just don't have room to be cluttered. It's time to release, to let go, to live free, and live my best life. And so I hope you're cleaning and decluttering and living your best life. And I hope that you know that with everything you send out to be a blessing to someone else, God is sending back to you to be a blessing to you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put out a new video. And subscribe. I know you want to be a part of the family. I sure want you to be a part of the family. And guys, I love you so much. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Love you.